Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Students, in the last lecture we have seen some examples based on second order derivative, and today also we have to take some examples based on second order derivative. Now we see one by one examples. First example is if y equal to, first example, if y is equal to x plus tan x, x plus tan x, then show that cos square x into d square y by dx square, cos square x into d square y by dx square minus 2y plus 2x minus 2y plus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, now here we have to give one equation y is equal to x plus tan x, and we have to show that cos square x into d square y by dx square minus 2y plus 2x is equal to 0. Now answer for this: consider given equation y is equal to x plus tan x. Answer: consider given equation or function, that is y is equal to x plus tan x. Call this as equation number first. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of tan x is sec square x. Sec square x. But we know that by second fundamental identity, 1 plus sec square x is equal to tan square x. Dy by dx equal to, we get here tan square x. Okay. Now this tan square x, we can write here reason 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore we can write here sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, that is 1 plus sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, that is tan square x. Okay, that is, we can write here dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus tan square x, 2 plus tan square x. Now differentiate this equation, differentiate this with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square equal to derivative of 2 constant term 0 plus derivative of tan square x is 2 into tan x into d by dx of tan x, d by dx of tan x, that is d square y by dx square is equal to 2 into tan x into derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Now here we can write the value of tan x. Tan x is equal to, here from equation first we can write tan x is equal to y minus x. Now say this as equation number second. From equation first we get tan x is equal to y minus x. Okay, now put this value here in equation second, put in equation second. Therefore d square y by dx square equal to 2 into tan x means y minus x into sec square x. Now this sec square x take to the LHS. This becomes 1 upon sec square x into d square y by dx square is equal to, take here product 2y minus 2x. Now 1 upon sec square x, 1 upon sec square x means cos square x. Therefore we can write cos square x into d square y by dx square. Take these two terms to the LHS, that is minus 2y plus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, this is the required answer. We have to prove that cos square x into d square y by dx square minus 2y plus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, now we see second example here. Now second example is, if y equal to, if y is equal to sine of in bracket m into cos inverse x, then show that one minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus m square y equal to 0. M square y is equal to 0. Now we see answer for this example. Answer, consider this equation. Y is equal to sine of m into cos inverse x. Okay, now we can write this as, take this sine function to the LHS, this become inverse function. Therefore sine inverse of y is equal to m into cos inverse of x. Okay, now we can take derivative here. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of sine inverse of y is 1 upon under root 1 minus y square into derivative of y dy by dx equal to, m is a constant term, keep as it is, into derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay, now rearranging term we can write here, take this under root 1 minus x square to the LHS, that is under root 1 minus x square into dy by dx equal to minus m into, take this 1 upon under root 1 minus y square to the RHS, this becomes in multiplication form, into under root 1 minus y square. Now here we have to take square, taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides, we can write under root 1 minus y square bracket square into dy by dx bracket square equal to minus m square into under root 1 minus x square bracket square. Okay, now here square root and square cancel out, remains only 1 minus y square into this term as it is dy by dx bracket square equal to square of minus 1 is plus 1 into m square into square of this term is here is y square and here x square. One minus y square. Okay. Now we can take derivative here. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, to the LHS we can use here product rule, because here is a product of two functions. First function is 1 minus x square and second function is dy by dx bracket square. By using product rule here, we know that product rule is if y equal to u into v, then dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Using this rule we can write here 1 minus x square as it is into derivative of this dy by dx bracket square 2 into dy by dx into derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus second term dy by dx bracket square as it is into derivative of this first term. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x square is minus 2x equal to m square as it is into derivative of 1 minus y square. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of y square is minus 2y into derivative of y dy by dx. Okay. Now further we can write here. Now here is 2 into dy by dx, here also 2 into dy by dx and here also 2 into dy by dx. Dividing throughout by 2 into dy by dx, dividing throughout by 2 into dy by dx, we get here 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. Now here minus into plus minus x into dy by dx equal to 2 dy by dx cancel, remains only minus m square y equal to minus m square y. Okay. Now take this term minus m square y to the LHS, then we can write 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0. This is the required answer. That is, we have to show that in bracket 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0. Okay. Now we see one more example here. Next example is if x is equal to a sin theta, x is equal to a sin t minus b cos t and y is equal to a cos t plus b sin t. Then show that d square y by dx square is equal to minus in bracket x square plus y square upon y cube Okay, now we say answer for this example. Answer: consider given equations. That is, x is equal to a sin t minus b cos t and y equal to a cos t plus b sin t. Now here we have to given values of x and y in terms of t. Therefore, we can take derivative of these equations with respect to t, and we have to use here parametric rule also. Differentiate with respect to t. Therefore, derivative of x with respect to t, dx by dt equal to a as it is derivative of sin t is cos t minus b into derivative of cos t is minus sin t, and here derivative of y dy by dt equal to derivative of cos t is minus sin t minus a into sin t plus b into derivative of sin t is cos t. Okay, that is, we can write here dx by dt is equal to a cos t minus into minus plus b sin t, and dy by dt is equal to b cos t minus a sin t, or take minus sign common here, we can write b cos t a sin t minus b cos t, taking minus sign common. Now say this as equation number first, and this is equation number second. Now we know that dy by dx, parametric rule, dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now we say here this is the equation number first, we have to use this equation here, therefore this equation second, this equation third, and this is equation number 4. Now from equations second, third and fourth, we can write value of dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt is minus in bracket a into sin t minus b into cos t upon value of dx by dt is a cos t plus b sin t. Okay, now here put values of a cos t plus b sin t and a sin t minus b cos t from equation first. Now here a sin t minus b cos t equal to x and a cos t plus b sin t equal to y. Therefore, we can write here dy by dx is equal to minus a sin t minus b cos t means x upon y, since from equation 1. Okay. Now we have to take second derivative here. Differentiate this equation with respect to x and use division rule to the RHS. This is also called as equation number 5. This equation. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square. We can use here product rule, division rule, minus x upon y as it is into derivative of x. Keep this minus side to the outside the bracket. Y as it is derivative of x is 1 minus x as it is into derivative of y dy by dx upon y square by using division rule. Okay, that is d square y by dx square equal to minus in bracket y into 1y minus x into value of dy by dx from equation 5. Value of dy by dx is minus x upon y upon this y square as it is. Further, d square y by dx square equal to minus as it is y minus into minus plus x into x square upon y divided by y square. Now taking addition at the numerator, take here addition, then we can write d square y by dx square equal to minus into in bracket y into y square plus x square upon y into y square, that is y cube. That is, we get here d square y by dx square equal to minus in bracket x square plus y square upon y cube. This is the required answer. Okay. Now we see next example here. Next example is if y equal to log 2x. If y equal to log 2x, then show that x into y2 plus y1 into in bracket 1 plus x into y1 equal to 0. That is, in this example we have to give one function is y is equal to log 2x, and we have to show that x into y2 plus y1 into in bracket 1 plus x into y1 bracket complete equal to 0. Now here y2 means d square y by dx square, second order derivative, and y1 means dy by dx, first order derivative. Now we see answer for this example as, consider given equation. Y is equal to log 2x. So this is equation number first. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx equal to, this is the composite function, derivative of log 2x is 1 upon log 2x into dy by dx of log 2x. That is, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon log 2x as it is. Derivative of log 2x is 1 upon 2x into 2. That is, log 2x into 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. Now these two cancel out. Now remains only dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into log of 2x. So this is the equation number second. Now we have to find second derivative here. Therefore take 1 upon x to the LHS. Then we can write here x into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon log 2x. That is, x into dy by dx equal to, this can be written as in the form 1 upon log 2x means in bracket log 2x bracket raised to minus 1. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Use product rule to the LHS, that is, first function as it is, x into derivative of second function d square y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is into derivative of first function is 1 equal to, here use formula for x raised to n. This is a composite function. Derivative of log 2x bracket raised to minus 1 means minus 1 into log 2x bracket raised to minus 2 into dy dx of log 2x. Now further we can write x into d square y dx square equal plus dy by dx equal to. Now here minus sign as it is, log 2x bracket raised to minus 2 can be written as minus 1 upon log 2x bracket raised to 2 into derivative of log 2x is 1 upon 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. 2 cancel out. That is x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon log 2x bracket square into x. Now here adjusting x, we have to write here x square, therefore multiply numerator and denominator by x. Then we can write x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to minus x upon x into log 2x bracket square. Okay, that is, now from equation second, 1 upon x into log 2x, 1 upon x into log 2x is equal to dy by dx. Therefore we can put here value of x upon log 2x bracket square is equal to dy by dx bracket square. That is x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to minus x into dy by dx bracket square. Okay, now take this term to the LHS. That is, we can write x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x into dy by dx bracket square equal to 0. Okay, now from these two terms we can take dy by dx common. Dy by dx common, we can write here that is x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into, in bracket here remains 1 plus here x into dy by dx equal to 0. Now here d square y by dx square means second order derivative, can be denoted by y2, and dy by dx is a first order derivative, this can be denoted by y1. Therefore we can write here x into y2 plus y1 into, in bracket 1 plus x into y1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the required answer, x into y2 plus y1 into, in bracket 1 plus x into y1 equal to 0. Okay, now we will stop here. Okay, thank you.